Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar, and this is Wish Week. We have songs during this week where you wished for, and I bring them up for you guys a whole week, not only Wish Wednesday like we have normally, the whole week here, and this time we have you, L. Otter D2, I believe that's your name. You wished for NEFFEX and TheFatRat song called Back One Day. So I'm playing around with these chords here, this cool melody, and yeah, that's what we're gonna learn and look at. So yeah, hope you will enjoy this. L. Otter, you have this song here on Growing Guitar, and all you NEFFEX fans, I know there are many out there, hope you will enjoy this as well. So let's start here. The setup is capo on the first frets. That is because we want to match up with the sound. If you don't have a capo, then use the same chords I'm using here without any capo. It will be a little bit darker, one step darker on the fretboard, but hey, that is the easiest way to handle the song. So I would go for that and not try to fix the chords without any capo and have very hard, difficult way to do that. So anyway, just when I mention it, let's do the chords first. So we're gonna start with A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have F, so we're gonna go with a bar chord here. So that is a bar on the first fret where you bar all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have D minor. That is open D, second G, third B, first E. We have G as well. And that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then in the bridge part later on, we're gonna have the D chord. And that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And there you have all the chords for this one. So we have a melody here in this song that is pretty prominent, and we can also then use the strumming pattern. We'll come to all that. I think we're gonna start with the melody because that is the first thing that happens pretty much in the song. So we're gonna do it chord by chord, and the chord progression will be like 95% of the song in one way. So it will be A minor, F, D minor, F, G. That is the main part. Then we have a bridge part later on. We'll come to that. But this is the melody for this main chord progression. So we're gonna start chord by chord, note by note, starting with A minor parts. So it starts like this. Okay, so you're gonna play open A string together with second G. Then open E, the high E string, third B, first B, and second G. That's the A minor part. The F part goes like this. So that is third fret on D string, then first B, third B, open high E, and open G. That's the F part. Now the D minor part goes like this. So that is to play open D string together with second G, then open high E, third B, first B, and second G. Then we have the F part again. It goes like this. That's it. So it's third on D string, first B, third B. And then we have the final part, the G part, and it goes. So that is to play the third fret E string in the bass together with open high E string. And then open G. And you finished one round there. So that is all the way from A minor to G. I'm gonna take you through that. One round slow, and no, actually we can go in standard tempo. It's pretty slow as it is, so let's do one round. oops, I actually played 3 or 4 rounds. Yeah, I couldn't stop myself. I slipped on one string here and there, so that's why I tried to work back my yeah, to do it once right. Anyway, this is the melody, and yeah, that is the starting point of this song. Then we learned so far we have chords in the background of this, so that is what we need to look at next. We have the chords A minor, F, D minor, F, and G. We're gonna learn how to handle them with a strumming pattern. All right, so we have a strumming pattern that's divided into 2 different parts. So if we grab the first chord, the A minor, one full round goes like this. So the first part is down, down, up. Okay, so down, down, up. And the second part will be clap, down, up. So if we combine these 2 parts, it will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. And a couple rounds. All right, so that's how it goes. And now with the chord progression, we have A minor, 1 full round, F, 1 full round, D minor, 1 full round. Then you have F part 1, the down, down, up, and G part 1 again, the down, down, up. And that's it. So A minor 1, F1, D minor 1, F part 1, G part 1, like this. Rounds there, and that is how you handle it with a strumming fashion. All right, now you can also build in this melody and have a mix between the melody and the rhythm here with the claps within. So the claps then will replace certain notes. I just want to get you through that as well. So we learned the melody now. I'm just going to show you where to do the claps and where which notes that are replaced with the clap. So you're gonna start with A minor. It goes like this. And the note that comes right after the first B string, you replace that with a clap. Then you continue. Then you F. And the note that comes right after, the open high E string, you replace that with a clap. Then you continue. Then D minor. And the note that comes right after, the first fret B string, you replace that with a clap. Then continue. Then F. And then G. The kick there, the E strings, both of them, 3rd fret E and open high E. You replace that with a clap. And play the final note. And there you have how to build in the claps, the rhythm, and the melody. So slowly it goes like this. And in standard tempo. Yeah, so there you have the mix with rhythm and melody. And yeah, when you have this, you have pretty much 95% of this song, okay? And you don't have to work and manage to do all of these variations. It's actually enough just to go with a melody or just a strumming, or yeah, one of these versions is enough. That is the main part. Then we have a bridge part that happens about 2 minutes and 17 seconds into the song. And now we have a chord progression where we're only gonna play 1 down per chord. So I'm just gonna mention the chord progression there. So it goes F, G, A minor, C, and then F, G, and D, and the pause. Then you play everything else again. So for 2 rounds in total. Pause, and then back to the main parts. So, to summarize this one, in the verse play and yeah, the drop and chorus you can play in different ways. When you have the verse play here, of course, you have the same chord progression, A minor, F, D minor, F, and G, but I would suggest you to play 1 down per chord there, or the strumming, all right? So that is in the verse play. 1 down per chord, like this. And so on, or the strumming. That's the verse play. In chorus and the drop that comes, I suggest you play the melody. So that melody, or the strumming again. So the strumming works for both verse and the chorus drop parts. And that is the common thing here in the song. And then you can do things out of that with the melody or just 1 down per chord. And then you have, of course, the bridge part, and then back to main. And that is pretty much how you handle NEFFEX and TheFatRat's Back One Day. Otter D2, if that is your name, I believe so. Hope you enjoyed this. And all you NEFFEX fans, if there are somebody out there who's watching this tutorial and you're NEFFEX fans and you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, this is the channel to be at and to subscribe to. NEFFEX is like, yeah, we have many songs covered here. So feel free to support me here. And yeah, play tuned.